Today we are going to demonstrate the installation of a GS1001 ground wire in the Civicon socket. Let's begin by unscrewing and removing the two bolts and plug cap from the socket face. Lift and turn socket face on backside to access the socket wiring. Carefully unwind the socket wires and locate the green ground bolt wire, which is installed to pin 9. Inside the socket housing are all of the essential components needed to perform maintenance and repair. The components include one packet containing ring terminals and plugs, one ground wire installation kit, and one gasket seal. Install bushing insulator in the upper right mounting hole. Connect ring terminal bolt to green ground wire and insert bolt through the upper right bushing insulator. Fasten bolt to housing. Connect ring terminal bolt to white ground wire and insert bolt through the lower left spacer. Fasten bolt to housing. Once the ground wires have been connected to the socket body, install gasket seal and attach socket face. Reinstall the left bolt to secure socket face to body. Attach socket cap wire to the right bolt. Tighten both left and right bolts without over-tightening. To learn more about the Civicon GS1001, visit www.civicon.com.